Hello my friend, in this video I want to tell you 4 important points about rendering realistic in 3D Max. If you also use these tips, you can definitely get a real rendering. So let's check these points. You should use high quality material for your project. The use of high quality material has a great impact on the realism of your rendering. Of course, you should not forget that the material should be used correctly in the scenes. For example, you need to control its size and scale. You can use this site to find quality material. Remember, even if you have done good lighting, but your material is of poor quality, your rendering will be in trouble. Try to use reflection in the material. It will make your material better. Another important point in real rendering is the basic and correct framing. You need to frame the camera so that your rendering is at the best angle. You can do the proper framing using the camera setting. In order to do the best framing, you must use the framing guideline and place your scenes in the best position and angle. In interior lighting in 3D Max, artificial and natural light are one of the main points in rendering realism, and its correct use is very important. Therefore, you should be familiar with the type of light and where they are used so that you can choose the best type of light in the design. Natural light. Natural light is important in every interior space, and you must consider it in the design according to the use of the space. In the world of simulation, this type of light gives a special effect to your rendering, but you must be careful to intelligently introduce natural light into the space and not exaggerate. Dome, sun, and plane light can help you simulate this light. Linear light. In continuation of interior lighting in 3D Max, linear light is one of the artificial light subset that has become very popular these days and has many uses. General light. This type of light usually light up the whole space and do not emphasize on a specific subject like a chandelier. This type of light are used for general and are only for space lighting. Point light. This type of light is usually used when we want to focus on a specific subject and display it more. With the help of this light, we can create attractive effect in the real world and in simulation. In VRay, we can create this effect with the help of IES light. Another important point of real rendering is the use of post-production. By using post-production, you can make many corrections in your rendering and cause significant change in the scene's light color. In order to be able to do a professional post-production, you must use Photoshop. Photoshop allows you to work better on your rendering and get better results. These 4 important points along with other points can help you a beginner to prepare a real rendering. You will surely succeed by learning these tips correctly and principle.